Welcome back to a new video, guys. Today I'm going to tell about how to on magnification in Geo for Next, guys. How can you on? So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel, so please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now, friends, first of all, open your setting app and guys click on accessibility. Scroll, guys, and come on, guys, magnification. So you can see here, guys, you want to on, so guys, then on. So guys, after get click on option, guys, you can see this new option. And guys, how to use I'm going to tell you about. So guys, select first as, and guys, when you will tap to time, so guys, you can zoom and see. Select here, guys. So I think, guys, you have understood how to on magnification and how to use it, guys. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video, guys. We will meet on next video with new topic. Bye bye, friends. Before, guys, please go and like my videos.